obliged to have your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated, or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. This serves your own safety. Please open the baggage racks carefully as objects could fall out. As soon as we have reached our cruising altitude, we will start with the service. And about 1 hour 30 before landing, we will serve you breakfast. With Swiss Connect, we offer you the possibility to utilize chargeable internet and telephone services with your own mobile terminal here on board. And if you have any questions or requests, please do not hesitate to contact me or any one of my colleagues.